I hope you have been able to get outside over the past few days and enjoy all of the sunshine that has been here in the Carolinas, because come as we head into the day tomorrow and also on your Thursday, clouds will be returning to the Carolinas, and that will make for a pretty rainy day as we head into the day on Thursday as well. And while a rainy day is heading to the Carolinas on Thursday, it'll also be a pretty warm day with some of our locations getting closer to 70 degrees. Yes, we're talking about temperatures reaching closer to 70 on a December day here in South Carolina. I am just as shocked as you are, but considering I was born and raised here in the South, where sometimes in the summer we reach 90 degrees, I am very, very happy that we are actually going to get a day where it is closer to 70 degrees. And thankfully, as we head into the weekend, sunshine will be returning. The only downside, it'll be pretty chilly with temperatures only topping out in the low 50s. Let's take a look at our national radar. A massive upper level low system bringing blizzard conditions to the northern plains and severe weather to portions of the deep south, and this will be heading our way as we head into your Thursday. Thankfully, the severe weather risk will really ramp down as it approaches our area. Before Thursday, we have to get through Wednesday first, and here's your forecast as we head into the day tomorrow. Temperatures starting out in the lower 40s as you are heading in the door before warming up into the mid 50s throughout the afternoon hours. I do expect it to be mostly cloudy throughout the majority of the day, but as we head deeper into your evening and say into the very early morning hours on Thursday, that's when the rain will be heading into our area. And let's take a look at the timing of this rainfall here in our future radar. Starting out at around 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, not much in the way of rainfall across really the whole entire state of South Carolina. But as we head into your afternoon hours, some spotty showers anywhere from the Midlands into the upstate, into the low country as well. I think that the eastern Midlands, the eastern upstate, and also the eastern PD will be staying rain-free throughout the majority of the day tomorrow. But as we head deeper into the afternoon, into your evening as well, spotty showers really become likely across the whole entire state, particularly across the Midlands and the upstate. Heading into your Thursday morning, widespread rain anywhere from the PD down into the low country. Some spotty showers still possible across the Midlands and the upstate, but thankfully as we head deeper into your afternoon and into your evening hours as well, the rain works its way off of our coastline, and we are left with a mostly cloudy sky as we head into your evening hours on your Thursday. As far as how much rainfall we could see from this system, anywhere from an inch of rain, it's going to be anywhere from a half an inch of rain upwards to an inch of rain is possible, particularly as you get further east of the I-95 corridor. Your temperatures on your Thursday afternoon, mid to upper 60s across many of our inland counties, while locations closer to the coastline approach the 70-degree mark, which once again I'm extremely thankful for. And unfortunately, there is a very small risk for severe weather within this system, particularly across portions of the coastal low country down near the Charleston area. There's a very small risk, only about a 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather on the SPC scale for our area. The primary threat is damaging winds. The tornado risk is extremely, extremely low, but obviously if this changes in any sort of way, I will let you know immediately. Let's take a look at your weekend forecast. It'll be a pretty chilly weekend. Temperatures only topping out in the low to mid 50s on your Saturday. The same exact thing for your Sunday, only in the lower 50s, and we're dropping down into the mid to upper 30s overnight on Saturday. So it'll be a very chilly weekend. So with that being said, if you do have any outdoor plans, grab a jacket as you are heading the door, as you will not regret it considering how cold it will be. And speaking of that coldness, we're going to be dealing with that over the next couple of weeks as well, as the Climate Prediction Center is forecasting pretty much the whole entire country of the United States, beside parts of the Pacific Southwest, to be well below normal when talking about the temperatures. But the good thing is with this system, the good thing with this outlook is that it will raise our chances of seeing some snow as we head over the next couple of weeks. Now, some things to keep in mind when talking about snow in our area as far as the forecasting part goes. You really only have high forecast confidence for snow if it's around 1 to 3 days out or 3 to 5 days out. Anytime you get around 5 to 7 days out, it really is not that good when trying to forecast it, considering we have several different model runs coming in every single day, and each and every single one of those model runs says a completely different thing. And that's why as you get closer and closer to the event, for example, 1 to 3 or 3 to 5 days out, the forecast confidence is much, much higher. Not saying that we will not have snow, but considering the Climate Prediction Center is forecasting temperatures in our area to be so well below normal over the next couple of weeks, that will definitely increase our chances of seeing some snow over the next couple of weeks. I do not think that we will be seeing a white Christmas, but anytime we see flurries here in South Carolina, that is a total win in my book. Here's your 10-day forecast along the Grand Strand. Expect lots of clouds for your Wednesday with some rain arriving overnight on Wednesday and into your Thursday as well. The majority of the rain will definitely come throughout the morning hours on Thursday before hopefully ending sometime around the late afternoon and early evening hours on Thursday. Sunshine returns to the Carolinas for your Friday. Perfectly sunny skies are expected for your Friday. More clouds will be returning for your Saturday and Sunday, but the big picture beyond Thursday, well below average temperatures, only topping out in the 50s every single day. And that'll be the exact same case as you head further inland as well. Mostly cloudy skies for your Wednesday, lots of rain for your Thursday, particularly in the morning hours before hopefully ending sometime around the late afternoon and early evening hours. Sunny skies for your Friday before clouds return for the weekend. Temperatures only topping out in the low to mid 50s with overnight lows dropping down pretty chilly into the 30s. Keep it here, Liam's Weather, for all of the latest information.